Hi Rach, my name is Ilsa and I live in a 280 square foot apartment in the West Village of Manhattan, and my monthly housing cost is $1,400.
I live on the 5th floor and we don't have an elevator.
Right when you walk into my space, you walk into my kitchen. My under-the-counter fridge, which opens like this, it's an extremely handy way for me to have a small fridge without it taking up a ton of space in my apartment. Moving to this side of my kitchen, you'll see these window whiteboards. They're really aesthetically fun to look at, but also when I work from home, it's a great place to get my thoughts down. And on this one, I actually track my exercise and workout routine to make sure I stay on track. I wanted to build something in order to house more of my plants, and that's why I ended up building this ladder myself. This is both my living room and my bedroom. You will first see my Murphy bed. When I moved in, I decided I didn't want to just have a full-size bed in my space all the time, and so I actually designed this one and included a lot of storage because that's really what I was lacking here. So in addition to having a full-size bed, I have space for a TV, a few open shelves, as well as storage here and all the way across. Since I don't have a ton of space, hanging plants from the ceiling is a really good solution in order to still bring them in. Right behind there, you'll see these wooden triangles that I actually hand stained myself in order to bring a little bit of texture onto the wall and make my space a little bit more playful.